Hello and welcome. I'm Carl and this is ZX Spectrum 48K Z80 assembler. Fuse is a great program for Spectrum emulation. This is a 48K as you can see down there. Change the border. This is my code. I'll go into this more in depth at a later date, but I'm using SJ Plus to build it. Gives the output file from main.s to the start function, which calls that, and that's it. I've got two screens which flicks from screen 1 to screen 2. To build it, it's as easy as SJ Plus main.s. But as you may have seen, I've got a ZX listing there, which is the assembler output. Oops, don't want to type there. And I've done something else. There we go. Listing file, ZX listing, yeah. Builds it okay. And all we need to do now is load that snapshot, which can't show you there because it's not set on a directory. Open the snapshot and it'll run from that position. That's screen 1, which is all this code here. Press space and we go to screen 2. As you can see, the two circles, these here, they only get called once, which is the setup screen, and the rest of it is just checking for the space key. So that's the ZX Spectrum Z80 assembler. And I'll go into a little bit more depth next time. Thank you very much. Now I've got to find a stop.